Okay, good morning, everybody. And what's today's topic on Coffee and Questions? I had a friend who's welding, having a lot of difficulty. He was using magnets that you get out at Harbor Freight. I use those too, holding things together to do his MIG welding. I said, hey, you ever thought about taking some of your scrap metal and making a third hand? And he's like, yeah. He goes, I thought about that, but I'm not really sure exactly how to go about doing it. I'm going to change the picture. We're going to have a quick discussion. This is your quick tip of the day on how you can do this too out of scrap, and you'll find it really handy at certain times. Just put it on your MIG cart, keep it around when you need it, reach down, grab it, use it, put it back. Let me change the picture. Let's get right to it. Okay, so this is a tractor seat, and you can see the third hand. Now, any supply store, any place like that, even Home Depot, Lowe's, has got this 1/4-inch rod. Now, you can use that. The tricky part about this is you want to put a lot of weight in the middle. So you need a piece of solid bar stock of some kind. It'd be better if you went out to a metal supply store, look in their scrap bin. They have a scrap section usually at most of them, and find something that's heavy to use as that middle section. Then weld these 1/4-inch rods on there. You can bend them at the angles like I show you here in the picture. But the other thing that I did on mine, similar to what this guy did in his picture, I put this fin on the back of it and welded it on there, and I use that for my grounding clamp. And it's pretty handy. Rather than trying to find a place all the time on my welding table to clamp it, I just clamp it to that bare steel. I use my 4.5-inch angle grinder and I clean it up to make sure all the mill scales off it. It's nice and clean and kind of rust free, and it makes a wonderful grounding clamp. Then you just attach it to there, use the third hand to hold down whatever it is you're going to weld rather, and then go ahead and do the welding, lift it up, move it around. And yes, you can use the magnets from Harbor Freight. I have those also. Everything comes in handy in a different way. So when I'm done with this, the magnets I have on my welding table, and I put this back down below in my welding box, and I pull it out whenever I need it. And it's very similar to this. You can use this as a design. You can do it out of scrap steel. It's not hard to do. Okay, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you folks enjoyed watching the video. I know it's a quick tip, but you can get out there, find something heavy to make that middle section out of. Give me a comment below if you've made these. Maybe you make them differently. Maybe you found something else for that centerpiece that, that'll have a lot of weight. Maybe you do it like in a different style. I don't know. But let me know what your thoughts are and give me a comment. Otherwise, think about this next time you're out there and you've got that scrap steel you're about ready to throw out. I throw them into a little bin, and then I pull them out once in a while when I come across these ideas on the web if I think it's going to be useful, and I go ahead and make it. Mine's similar to this. I hope you folks enjoyed the video. You folks have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.